welcome back to my channel. I have a few weekly kits and several sheets here. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw a little bit of a sneak peek of what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this because I have to be getting this done quick. I'm not gonna show you the double that I got. I did get a double of the autumn mood, but I've already put that one in my planner. So yeah. But this I got two of. I'm using it for October and November. I was thinking about using purr, but I mean, there's no cats in my life. So yeah. So how many times can I say so? I have these three kits: Autumn Mood, Gingerbread House, and Give Thanks. The Give Thanks is a photo kit, which I'll show you that in a minute, or in a few minutes. But right now, I want to show you the sheets that I got, and the countdowns, and that whatnot. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize for the kiddo that's behind me, or in the next room actually. She is playing and she's very loud. If you've watched any of my vlogs, you know that she is very loud. And she is autistic, so she doesn't realize how loud she gets, no matter what. And I also want to go ahead and apologize for my hands. I am having seasonal allergies where my knuckles get really swollen and itchy, and I can't help but scratch. So I'm so sorry about that, but it happens. So let's go ahead and do these first because this is going to be, yeah, long. Alright, to start out with, I do have a Christmas countdown. Oh, I said I was going to do doubles, but I guess I forgot to pull these out. I did get two of the behavioral therapy appointment labels. I got loan payment due, and then I got all of these. Alright, so I took my doubles out this time. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. This one, the potty training, is in colorful, and it is a double. I got pay water. Now that we own a house, yeah, we have to pay water. Wash hair. This is in colorful as well. I believe everything I got for the most part is in colorful, rainbow, or neutral. These are colorful. Okay. This is going to be many clips. Alright, I got Zoom because she does have Zoom calls with both speech therapists. She only has two telehealth is what it's called, video chat therapies. So I got these. I probably should have gotten a lot more. Kid free day. Okay, my motor mouth is about to go. I got time to clean in colorful. I got woke up early in neutral because nobody wants to wake up early. Get off your ass in rainbow. This is boo sheet. I got both football game and baseball game. I do not have any other kids other than my 5-year-old, but this is just a mark when the Bears play and the Cubs play. And then I got It's the Weekend Bitches, rainbow banners. I'm going to put this in my kiddo's planner that I have for her, but that's just because I need a little bit of mommy in there other than my regular stickers. I have some countdowns. I already showed you my Christmas one. I also have winter break in neutral. And then I have Halloween and Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people don't really do Thanksgiving, but Thanksgiving is nice because, yeah, you just get to eat a lot and not count calories. Hi, Mommy. Okay, I got these computers in rainbow scheme for when I do YouTube stuff. And then these I got doubled, rose gold glitter, flags, apples, and the workout shark. If you do not have a workout shark to put as part of you working out in your planner as your icon, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. These are the best. They crack me up every time. And then I have, these are the rest of the icons. I got one of these because it doesn't really thunderstorm a whole lot in Arizona. But I did get doubled of the rest of these. I'm starting to wonder if I even have double of that one, but I'm pretty sure the rest of these are doubled. Actually, I don't think green is. I don't remember. I know this one and this one is, and the cloudy. It doesn't get cloudy too much, but when it does, it gets really cloudy. Sunny, rains. Raining doesn't happen too often, but I guess this will definitely last me probably a year. And then the partial cloudy. And then onto the scripts. These are two new ones, Walk and Steps. I got them in both of the fonts, so I can show you that this is what they have, what she has in fonts now. She used to have 6, and now she just has these 2. So I have font 1 and font 2. Don't ask me which one's which, but these are the 2. I have Walk, Steps, and then I got these custom scripts in Rainbow, One-on-One, and Half Day. Alright, so that is all of my sheets, and I do have the double of these 3 weather ones. The sun, the cloud, and the partially cloudy. I knew I only got one of the rain. That definitely will last me over a year because, again, it does not rain unless it storms. Here? Okay. But anyways, let me go on to the weekly kits. Again, I got Autumn Mood, Gingerbread House, Give Thanks. And I will show you this one first. This is a re-release in the new format. This is new and this is new. And so I'll show you the oldie first and then the new ones. Alright, so per my usual, I got weekly kit and then 3 add-ons. I use the finance add-on for my monthly view just because, well, why not? And it fits beautifully. And then I get the functional add-on. I always have to have these. Thank you, Sarah, for not getting rid of these. I don't know what I would do. But this is the half box and labels. So you get your 8 half boxes, 8 quarter boxes, round ones, and then 4 big labels and 4 skinny labels. The skinny labels are also good if you're going to do like a really big task. Then you can just put your task here and then check mark it. And then this is the kit, and all the kits are the same format. I have a format that I either just showed or just before or just after this video. That is the previous format that did not last long, which is great because this format right here works beautifully for me. So let me show you what's in the kit. You get 6 pages. You get... For this specific kit, there is a double box and it is 1 sticker. Okay, and then there's the littles with some blank headers as well. And then the regular today, to do, and little things. And a few bill do's. Then the ombre check heart boxes with 2 of the weekly checklist, weekly tracker, whatever you want to call it, with this skinny little washi right here. It does, keep in mind, it does take up 3 boxes. So if you're planning on putting the whole thing down on something, it'd probably be good to do like Monday through Wednesday or like Friday through Sunday, or you know, however it'll work for you. And then the best part, in my opinion, you get the cornered boxes. So there's 9 of the half boxes, 9 quarter boxes. Wait, 9? Yeah, 9. Yeah, 9. 9 half boxes, 9 quarter boxes, and 3 1/8 boxes. Plus you get 3 half trackers and 3 half ombre check boxes. Date headers, some scripts, weekend banner, and more icons, or a few icons, and then some headers, and then glitter headers, as well as the bottom washi, and then 3 pieces of washi right here. She does have the washi stripped out, so it's the skinny, like little piece right here, like header size, as an add-on if that's something that you are interested in. Alright, next one I'm going to show you is the Autumn Mood, and like I said, I already have one in my planner already done. So I'm going to show you this kit. per usual, my 3 add-ons. I'm not going to go through it all over again, but same thing, just different color scheme. But I will show you everything else in the actual weekly kit because there are some differences, obviously. Like the full boxes. I love this, and I love her, and it's just, oh, I love it. And then same thing as the last one, just different color scheme, same, and then different washi. So you get, again, 9 half boxes, 9 quarter boxes, and 3/8. And I don't think I showed you before on the other one, but there are some with pattern and then some solid. I love the mix of them. I love the mix of them. I can't say it enough. 3 habits, 3 half. Again, same thing, just different color scheme, different washi, different glitter header colors, and that is Autumn Mood. Okay, last and final thing to show you guys is the Give Thanks photo kit. So again, different color scheme, same thing I always get, functional, finance, and half box. And then into the 6th page, there's the photo kit. And this one specifically has a double box that is a single double box. Different color scheme, different color scheme, different washi though, different patterns, different color scheme, different color scheme, and then this beautiful washi. Right? And I am posting this actually the day before the TPC sale, so make sure that you go on to Instagram or the Facebook group for the planner collab sale. GoldPaperPrints is doing 50% off, so you can get 50% off of all of this. Her prices are already very, 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 very affordable, so make sure that you also mention me so you can get my freebie, which I will have up here, my new freebie. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and all that jazz. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like GoldPaperPrints sticker hauls, or if you like sticker hauls at all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!